picked.
Me like a bunch of lock changes and nailing doors into the walls.
Nice.
Do you remember?
I think so. Yeah, we didn't do your front door, but then I helped you fix the front door. Is that the one?
Yeah, the squatter house.
What's that?
The duplex.
Oh, what's your address again?
That you did. I had workers come out and they locked the bottom twist knob that I don't have a key for, and so you did that one trick with the blood pressure cuff.
Oh, that's funny.
Are you able to possibly? Are you in the area to possibly come help really quick?
I can come back. I'm just finishing another job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, give me about 25 minutes.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye.
All right, let's try this key out. Yeah, it works. I was like, oh, it's not working. Hey. Okay. You got it open. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Of course, anytime. Thank you. All right, it's working. Probably no battery. It's all done. Making a spare. Should work here too. Yeah. Uh-oh. All right. Dog bites. And owner sheets. Did the key work on the trunk too? I think all your locks need WD-40.
Yeah.
Let me spray it.
Okay.
But that should work on the driver door and the ignition. Oh, it doesn't work here. Maybe that was changed? Oh, there it is. Yeah. They needed WD-40 big time. All them, so.
Oh, yeah?
Check that last one.
Cool.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to try it?
Oh, good.
You good?